Yay, I'm live. Hello, everybody.
Oh, it's husband getting notifications that the wife is live.
Is it me? Is it live? Do I am live now, honey? So,
Maybe.
hello, everyone. We're setting up the new Xbox over there, the big TV. And hello there, Christmas tree. And what is this, honey? And never. What's this?
Rotate device. It does not like that mode.
Really?
You have to rotate it.
The other side?
Yeah.
Can you help
I
me?
don't know if you can stand it up that tall.
Got it. I think. Yes.
Not big enough.
How?
You're just gonna have to hold it with your hand, like an amateur.
Oh well. Oh. Well, let me think of sunglasses. This sunglasses, guys, is for like if you want to stare, like
The blue light filter.
yeah, for staring in the monitor or computer or whatever. So, it doesn't take this tripod. How? Why won't let my phone put in the tripod with it?
There you are.
Welcome to my live. There you are.
Okay.
Then,
Next.
what next? Oh, there you go. We're setting.
Yeah. Don't show this stuff.
What?
I have to log in.
Okay. So turn on the camera. Who's watching me? Is that you, honey? Sorry about the little messy on my background. Because we're still not done with the living room. It doesn't matter. And this is how it look like outside, guys. Still have sun outside. Oh, by the way, guys, let me show you that TV that we bought. It's this one. It's a huge, it's big TV. 65 inches over there. And yep. Woohoo! And my Christmas tree is over there. I like my Christmas tree. This year, how I set up my Christmas tree. So, and right now I'm drinking my smoothie, and I like it when you added the peanut butter on it. It tastes good. By the way, I didn't make it. Dan make it.
Of course.
Dan made it for me. That's how you have a husband. Ow. By the way, guys, this is gonna be a quick live because we just got the new Xbox, and we got it because I'm still don't know how to play in the PC. I'm still having trouble playing games in the PC, so we got this Xbox so that I would be able to play games with Dan.
Not quite. Got this Xbox because we needed an HD Blu-ray player, and it's the cheapest one.
Oh.
And it's also a game console, so why not?
Yeah.
Plus, you can play games with me.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. That's it.
See if I got my password right.
We'll see.
I don't log into this account very often.
You know, I love this phone. It's a good quality phone. The camera is good, and everything, the quality is good. So, by the way, guys, I am using my Samsung Galaxy S9. Phone lang tayo ngayon. So, yeah. Kaya tayo naka-makeup ngayon. I just finished filming another beauty product review. So, yeah. Kaya naka-makeup tayo ngayon.
I'm going to ask for a passkey.
What is passkey, by the way?
If you want to buy anything, it's going to ask for a passkey.
Okay. Ooh, I'm hot. I'm hot already because I'm wearing robe. Earlier, I feel cold because I went outside a little bit, so make me cold. So now I'm wearing my robe, and now I'm hot. This robe is so cute. It's a little cloud uh, print on it, and I got it on Walmart last year from Black Friday for only $5. It is so comfy robe, and it fit perfect for me. The size and everything, the length of the C is not too long, and this is how it look like that, not too long. So nakapajama lang tayo ngayon sa loob ng bahay kasi sa bahay lang naman tayo, but I love this robe. I'm disappointed this Black Friday because they don't sell a robe this month, so I really want to buy an extra one, but they don't have it this year on Black Friday at Walmart, so it's okay. What time in the Philippines right now, honey?
6 a.m.
In the morning? In the afternoon?
6 a.m.
I wasn't
a.m.
I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, yeah, 6 a.m. So really early in the morning. Ang ganda ng Christmas light ko, guys. Oh.
They want a 6-digit passkey. I don't have any 6-digit thingies. Plus, I hate their way of inputting it.
Oh.
Because you have to press a button to correspond with a number. So even if I do any of my normal numbers, it's like really annoying to input it.
Oh.
This is a bad system. Why wouldn't it just be a cursor and then I like press A to select the thing I want?
Yeah.
Damn you, Microsoft.
Ang ganda ng earrings ko, guys. Oh. It's only $5, like the cheap
$5 for 3 sets.
I mean, yes. $5 for 3 set. It is a Christmas earrings. So I like this little bow tie with pearl on it. So cute. Really cute earrings. So I'm okay with that. I don't feel mad if I lose it because it's only $5 per 3 sets. So
Never.
it doesn't matter. Or I break it or lose it.
Put that up there.
Where is everybody? Still sleeping? I'm just kidding.
Sure.
So later we're going to play Sea of Thieves, honey?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay! That's my first time playing Sea of Thieves. We'll see if I can play with it real quick because I never play games, so just the way. Oh, by the way, no, I played games before, right, honey? Minecraft.
Yep. Until you got tired of lava.
And I hate it because every time I didn't see the lava, I keep digging and they have lava under the ground. I keep dying, so I hate it. The lava is not good. So
Okay, Game Pass code stuff.
passcode.
Game Pass. Oh, it's gonna be so annoying. What is it? 25 characters with a controller? Ugh. Give me a keyboard. Yeah, it's gonna take like 150 clicks to input this.
Really?
Yeah, it's that annoying. 25 character code.
Is that a redeem your code or gift card?
Yeah. first character, I'm already at 4 presses. 3 more. 3, 9. Almost to 20 presses. Yeah, super annoying. By the way, don't show this.
No, it's not showing the TV at all. Just my face. I'm lucky that my ears no problem with cheap earrings. It doesn't like itchy at all or no problem. It's okay. So yeah. We're putting the password. Is that, do you call that password, honey?
This is something, don't worry, I'm busy.
Busy daw si Dan. So I knew I have a what is the stand? I think it's right here. I have a stand to put. Ito pala yung isa guys na earrings. Snowman. Cute din ito. Tsaka ito na yung laman ko. Oh, ganda. Ayan na siya. Oh. Pasensya na sa counter, medyo makalat. Hindi pa kami tapos mag-ayos ng sala. Ito yung hinahanap ko, yung tawag dito, yung kabitan ng Christmas light kasi 25 mini lights as adhesive clips. Ito yung hinahanap ko kahapon, hindi ko makita. Kasi maglalagay ako ng Christmas light sa bintana.
Did you just ask me a question in Tagalog?
No, I'm talking to my camera.
Okay. I heard honey.
I'm going to put my Christmas light, some of my Christmas light on the kitchen window. So I was looking for this yesterday. I couldn't find it at all. And now when I was looking of my, what do you call this? Eyeglasses. Not really eyeglasses. But anyways, looking in the cabinet. So I found it. So yay. I'm gonna take this out, and tonight I'm gonna put Christmas light on the windows. Ang ganda ng quality ng cellphone na to. Gusto ko yung quality niya. Nice phone.
Ow.
So naantay ko lang si Dan na matapos mag-set up ng password and everything, and we're ready to play games. He's setting it up right now.
Now this super long code, so we can play our what's it called? Jedi Fallen Order.
Is that Star Wars?
Yes.
Ooh.
Jedi always means Star Wars.
Star Wars Jedi.
3JJ.
I'm looking for the. Oh, here you go. Found it. Dito tayo sa kusina, guys. So, mag-upload pala ako ng... Mag-upload ako dito. Nakaharap ako sa bintana sa kitchen. So, mag-upload pala ako, guys, ng bago kong video na film kanina. Kaya naka-make up tayo ngayon kasi nag-film ako kanina. Ang aga kong nagising kanina. Alas 10 ng umaga gising na ako. Para lang makapag-film ba. So, ilagay natin dito itong So guys, ito yung hinahanap ko, yung stand. Pwede mo siyang, yung stand to ng tablet, ng phone. Pwede mong ilagay yung phone dyan, kung wala kang tripod. And, yan yung itsura niya. Tapos ipatong natin yung phone dito, oh. Tapos ready na tayo mag-live. Oh, ayan. So, ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Yan, dito muna tayo sa kusina. Kasi sila hindi pa tapos mag-set up ng mga password, mga ano, para before mag-start ng games. Then, we're just gonna stay here in the kitchen for a little bit till done setting up everything.
Yeah, I'm done now.
You're done?
Yep.
Are you ready to play?
No idea.
So, antayin lang natin sila ng ano. Ang haba na pala ng buhok ko. Mas ano, parang umoki yung buhok ko ng pina-dark color ko siya. Bagay pala sa akin yung dark color, like black. Kasi black tong pinabalik ko na ng black yung ano ko, yung buhok ko. So, yun. Yan. Yung foundation na ginamit ko, nireview ko ngayon. Okay pa siya. Ayan yung foundation, oh. Ano, kanina pang umaga to, ng alas 10 ng umaga. It's still looking good, yung foundation. So, ang ganda talaga ng robe na to. Yeah. Ganda. Ganyan siya. Sakto lang siya. Kasi, sinusuot ko to palagi kasi malamig na nga. Winter na dito. Pag medyo na-feel kong nilalamig ako, ito yung sinusuot ko. Sobrang comfy niya. Ito lang sinusuot ko. Sobrang comfy pag malamig na panahon. Ready? Oh. So this is how it looks like, guys. Tadaan! 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 Dan said it's ready. Ready na maglaro ng games. Dalhin kita.
I, of course, have no idea what I'm doing because these menus are all new to me.
Ooh, it's bright. I'm gonna put you here.
They got lost
Ooh,
signal to show a picture.
it's look nice.
I go back.
Ayan na guys yung Sea of Thieves sa likod. So maglalaro lang kami guys. Maglalaro lang kami. I'm just gonna stay alive for a little bit.
Damn it.
Gotta finish my smoothie. Oh, they have music.